Everyone, welcome to my slime channel that I just made. I'm so excited about it. So I actually have 3 channels, they're all linked down below, but today we are making we're making like a rainbow fluffy slime. So for this, all you have to do is put equal parts of shaving cream and school glue into containers, and then I put yellow, green, blue, and red food coloring in these bowls and mixed them all together, and then I added in some contact solution. So if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up for more slime videos, leave your requests down below for slime videos and I will do a ton more. I literally love slime. Wow, maybe you do too. So after I have mixed them all together, I added my contact solution. I just have some saline solution and I mixed them all together. This slime ended up being very sticky, which I know is not like fully correct, but I wanted it to be sticky because when I combined all these together into like one rainbow glob, I wanted it to mesh really well and I wanted it to be very like stretchy and gooey, so it's all with intention. But yeah, it's very simple to make, and after this I just there's the blue one, it's really funny. So then after this I just put them out on a white container and I mix them together, so please enjoy this compilation.